Okay, I make a quick video on this. First step is to sand both pieces, the fitting and the pipe, until you see bright copper. Second step is take some tinning flux like that and coat both the pipe where you want to solder and the inside of the fitting. Third, you want to assemble the parts. Fourth, you want to get your torch. And we also got to know where your solder is. I'll put it under my flux. Get your solder out, get your torch. You want to heat the fitting, and it will turn kind of almost an iridescent color. And the flux will start to melt when it's and turn kind of silver color when it's ready to flow. Then you continue to heat your fitting. Put your solder on your joint, and just go all the way around the joint. And that should cover it.